Welcome to Tristar software. Today I'm going to show you how to unpurge a check. There are two reasons to unpurge. One is that you want to change which invoice the check is applied to, and the other is that you want to void the check and remove it from the system. To start, we're going to need a check. I'm going to enter a check for $10, and we're going to apply it exactly to this invoice. Let's go ahead and post the check. We're going to wait for it to post, and now you can see that the invoice is gone because it has been applied. And when we click done, we can see that the check and the invoice are no longer on the screen. Now, with it being removed from the screen, we can no longer make changes to the payment or the check. So in order to bring it back, we're going to go to Inquiry, search for checks received. Now we know the check number is 123, and we can search for the check. We can see that there are a lot of checks with that number or similar, but we're going to try and find Tristar softwares. So here's the check that we entered. And if you right click, you can see that there is only one option, which says shows items paid. However, the customer that asked us to implement this feature wanted it to be hidden. So it still remains hidden. If you check this box after having found the invoice, this has to be done after finding it. You will then right click and have the option to restore check/payment. So we're going to choose that option. We're going to select the invoice that we want to restore with it, and then we're going to click restore. Now, if we close out of these windows and we refresh our main view, we can see the invoice and the payment. Now we could either go to File, Void Items, and delete the payment. This will remove the payment from the system as if it was never there. And we can continue to apply a new payment. We could also go to Change Applies To and change which invoice number that the check is applied to. We currently only have one invoice, so for this example, we're going to go ahead and delete the payment so we can void it. Now the system is as if we had never entered the payment.